So guys, in this session we will learn about how to create the project in Altium. So simply go to the file, new project. In this section, in this window we will show the two options we will appear here. One is the PCB and the other is multi-board. So the PCB is related to the PCB design software where we create this first create the schematic, symbol, footprint, and after go to the layout section. And the multi-board section is the when our entire project layout is finished to three PCBs, and we need to be combined or the connect three PCB in the multi-board project. So it's used for the that section related the multi-board project. I will upload the video in the other session. Right now we are going to the PCB design software, PCB design project. So click to the PCB and type here the project name. So we will uh, type something normal, test 1, and here we need to be, sorry, the test 1 is already there, my folder, test 2. Here we need to be save the and enter the path where we need to be save the location of the project, and here the parameters is showing the it's not for the permanent use. Create the, after that create the project. The here we need to show like this, the project is created. After creating the project we need to be add the schematic, footprint, PCB library and schematic library as well, and also add the layout section, PCB design. So we need to be go right click on the test to PRG project PCB, and after right click add to project, and go to the schematic. So the schematic page is created. After that go to the PCB. So the layout file is also we appears. After that we need to be add the schematic library where we need to design the symbol and all things of related to the schematic. Simply schematic library, and go to the projects. The it's already created. Okay. After that we need to be go PCB library where we design the footprint of the particular symbol of the register, capacitor, and all things. So the both four things we have already created, where the in schematic we will design the how to schematic uh, and the PCB design software, PCB design where we need design to our layout and all things, routing, component placement, all things. Here the PCB library, footprint library, we are designing our footprint of the particular capacitor, register, symbols, and IC, all things. In the schematic symbol we are design the symbols of particular register, capacitor, and all things. So related to the how to create a project in Altium, is it all things we are covered. After in the next session I will teach you about how to create this particular symbol in Altium, and related to that symbol of footprint, how to assign and how to create it.